This Cadillac XT5 has a dependable gas V6 3.6L/ engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilts lighting with express open and power sunshade, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm x 20.3 cm, 12-spoke fully polished, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. These packages will make your Cadillac XT5 Platinum AWD the envy of Onlookers. Platinum Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, JET black, semi-aniline full leather seats with chevron perforated inserts, with bronze carbon fiber trim. Engine, 3.6L V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop-start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts at 6,600 RPMs, 271 pounds-ft of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 RPMs, STD. Driver assist package includes, KSG, adaptive cruise control, AX7, automatic safety belt tightening, UFQ, automatic parking assist, UGN, automatic collision braking and, UPZ, forward reverse automatic braking. Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information display, 4 USB ports, 2 auxiliary power outlets, auxiliary input jack. Enhanced voice recognition and phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, STD, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or key-compatible mobile device. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see Total Connect Com. Wipers, front intermittent, rain sense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, wheel lugs, locking, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets. Universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 593L3 can get you a trustworthy XT5 today.